When you gave him too many chores to do, he tries to retaliate.
Hey guys, welcome to week 16 of converting our bus. Today it's actually warm enough to be outside, which is really cool.
Yeah, it's like
bright,
27 to 30 degrees, right in the 30-degree range. So
it's actually nice.
Buried up top, cleaning snow up through. So if it stays warm, we'll be able to slap some solar panels up there. This week, so last week we were really delayed with the cold weather. We were in the negative 20s. This week it's 20 to 30s all week.
So
it gets up into the 40s a little bit, so it's warm. So I'm going to try to get as much of the electrical done as I can. A lot of that's under the bus outside, and then getting it into the bus with switches and outlets. We're going to try to get all that done this week. That's kind of the goal, is electrical. So then when the cold comes back, be in the bus working and all that fun stuff.
Well, yeah, so we're going to get lots of painting done in the bus, lots of electrical and some plumbing. So it'll be a pretty busy week since the last couple weeks we haven't been able to work quite as hard. So it'll be like a week that we get a ton done. Hopefully, as long as things don't go terribly bonkers. Who knows? It happens. I cannot believe it, you guys. Look over here at the thingy. I don't know if you can see it. It says 71 degrees in the bus. It is the warmest it has been in the bus for like months since snow hit. It has not been this warm in here since forever. And it is amazing. It feels like home now. It might not look like it, but it feels like home because it's warm, you know? So I'm so happy. I'm taking my jacket off. Elisa's dodging the camera, but she's not doing it well. Okay, so moving to the plan for today. Today we're going to be cleaning up all the mess. It's a mess in here because it's been weeks of work, and not any cleaning up. So we'll be working on that. And then we'll be taping a bunch of stuff off so we can paint tomorrow. We're going to be doing the spray paint on the ceiling and cupboards so we can get the final color on there, which will be amazing. Wait, is Dad getting at the drone? Hey, he is. That's cool.
All right, guys, so here you see we're on number 3 on the diesel heater. And then I've got the door open, and it's 76.2 in the trailer. It's 32 outside right now, so it warmed up quite a bit today. So yeah, this diesel heater does a good job. All right, guys, so we're coming to the bus. We've got to prep for paint. Today I'm going to spray the ceilings and stuff.
Painting the ceiling was done today thanks to Dad and Kaylin. They got the sprayer out. I'm gonna go out and take all the tape and the plastic down from the bus so we can see what needs to be touched up with the paintbrush. So as we walk into our wonderland of plastic and white. So the beautiful white tail paint, it's looking great. It's looking nice and smooth. Good deal. It's nice and warm in here too. Okay, let's take all this tape off and see how good it looks. Obviously the most satisfying part of any paint job. The paint comes off and you can see the beautiful contrast. At least that's my favorite part of painting. When it all gets done and you can see how gorgeous it looks. Those straight lines, beautiful. Final thing to pull tape off of. Alright, today we're going to be working on painting the bunk room. It should take maybe a couple hours to get it done. Hopefully we'll get 2 coats on, make it look really nice. We'll paint all the bunks and get that done. So that's today's project and we'll see how it goes.
Yep, wiring. As you twist it, you just want to be kind of pulling it out as you twist. And you're just looking for a nice look there. Can you hand me one of those tri-locks? Okay, those clip locks, the orange one. Yep. Thank you.
Awesome!
Did you get it?
Yes! I got it! I got it all the way!
Let's see.
The other time I just needed to be a little song.
Yeah, these are nice.
So how do you put them on? Like this? Or like this?
Just like you did before. Alright guys, it's Thursday. I just got, I believe, all the wiring done for the solar, except for the touch screen. I'm waiting on an adapter for that. So it's still got to, it was like 3 foot too short, so I've got to put this on. So I've got everything wired into the box. I don't have any 110 outlets in yet, but I've got all my lights on breakers. Let's see how it looks. I'm pretty sure I can fire everything up and test it out.
I'm chronically ill.
Dad has that tendency at times too, though. So
It's the personality thing. I don't know. We apparently have the ability to try to make people feel good, but we end up making them feel really bad.
Who did that?
she comes in and she's like, "Looks really good," and I'm like, "You can't tell the difference between what I painted before, what wasn't painted, but like what wasn't painted before, and what I just painted now. Like, you can't tell the difference."
I tried. I noticed you are working, so it must look better now. So
She is right. Our brains just don't function the same as superior people.
Just remember that. Just take your clues from those superior people.
an orange like
Outlet timer?
should kill you.
Oh, there it is. Should I do that? I'm gonna do that.
So, for those who don't know the joke, Dad has orange electrical things that he has in his shop trailer, but those are not the right outlets for the bus. We got the normal white ones for the bus, but he's gonna switch them and see how long it'll take Mom to notice the orange stuff. Could be funny. Okay, so I just finished touching up the paint in the bunk room. It's looking really good. Again, I have to get Mom to approve it. She has a really good eye on catching stuff that I miss. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty sure there'll be a couple other things to do in here, but at some point, probably tomorrow, we'll be working on painting the rest of this stuff.
Back to the hardware store. Get some plywood.
I turned this on.
Here?
Yeah, he do.
Don't stop playing with buttons. He normally doesn't get to sit in the front seat. That's you turn that off. You're in a car seat. You won't feel heated seats.
Oh wow.
Just leave it. If you wouldn't have the window down, you wouldn't need heated seats. Why do you have the window down?
Cause it's fun.
Alright, back to the hardware store. We were just here 10 minutes ago. Gotta love it. Alright, got our 6 sheets of plywood. Hopefully this will just about do it. And you gonna stop rolling the window down? It's cold.
Why not?
It is 36 degrees, so it did warm up quite a bit.
Now I'm closing the window.
Why is that? Well, stop closing and opening it. Either open it or close it. And now we get the table saw and rip all these pieces so sisters can paint. Rip them on the table saw, cut them to size.
I thought you meant
I
like
need lunch though. It is
whip
almost
them.
1 o'clock.
I thought you meant like whip them.
Rip them? I'm gonna rip them in half because I'm so strong. I'm not that strong.
Yeah. You probably need a dump truck to do it.
Come on, Garrison, use that muscle. Let's go. Whoa.
Awesome.
Look at these helpers.
And welcome to another painting day. Mom said most of the painting is pretty good in the bunk room, so something we could almost check off. We have some touch up on the ceilings. And today my project is going to be the master bedroom, so getting the walls on either side. I need to run to the hardware store because we are almost out of paint. So that's fun. Garrison, we have monster attacking everybody. Hard at work? Hard at work?
Sure.
Cleaning up the mess. Lots of mess. Lots of work, lots of mess. A bunch of sanding done. Well, Elisa's taking her turn at the sander, but since it's really, really warm out, like it's ridiculously warm for Wisconsin. I think we hit 42 degrees, so we're all taking advantage of the warm to get lots of work done.
How cold is it outside?
I think it's 42. That's the list I heard, so pretty warm.
Didn't you lawn it?
Yeah, I did.
But please don't take that off.
It's just said 1 is 5. But it's not.
Hey look, this is the almost exact system.
Alright, so we got a lot done this week.
Yep.
We've got ceilings, all got painted. All of the upper cupboards got painted. We got the bedrooms painted. We got working heat. It's 82 in the bus right now.
Shut that off. It's way
I
too
just
hot.
did.
You did.
Yeah, I just did. It's because when the sun hits it, it's just really warms it up really good. So
And we got the electrical pretty much.
it's working.
Yeah.
It's working. We
Yeah,
could
a few
actually
outlets.
like turn the switch,
Yep.
and the lights come on.
Yeah. So we just got a few outlets to put in yet, and then some miscellaneous stuff, but otherwise it's up and running.
Yeah, we got a lot done, so we're pretty happy with it. Looking forward to seeing what we get done next week.
Thanks to everybody for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos.
Bye guys.
Bye
See you
guys.
next
See you
week.
later.